It's 10:15 a.m. You just cleaned the kitchen, and there are already 4 cups on the counter and a small human at the pantry asking the question you've heard 90 times since breakfast. Can I have a snack? Welcome to the summer kitchen, the worst run factory floor in America. Here's the issue: your kitchen runs on demand. A kid gets bored, calls it hunger, submits a request. And every request makes you run the math. Did they eat lunch? How close is dinner? Too much sugar? Times every kid, every 20 minutes, all summer. That's not parenting. That's decision fatigue with a snack tax. So steal the fix from lean manufacturing, the system that runs every efficient factory on Earth. The rule: don't let demand pull resources whenever it wants. Control the flow. Fix the allocation, cap the capacity. It runs on 2 controls, a clock and a bin. 1. Kitchen hours. Your kitchen is a restaurant now, open at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Closed in between. Nobody's making a sandwich at 10:15. 2. The fuel bin. Each kid gets one color-coded bin every morning, loaded with the whole day's snacks in one labeled water bottle. That's the entire inventory. Engineers call this a kanban, a bin holding exactly one cycle of supply. When it's empty, you restock next cycle. Around here, that's tomorrow. Pre-engineer what's inside so you never audit a snack again. Main tanks. Protein and fiber that actually fills them up. Boosters, pre-portioned quick carbs, and one labeled bottle that lives with the bin, the only cup they get all day. Want water? Refill it. The 45 cups a day problem? Gone. Now, when they say I'm hungry, you don't decide anything. You run a script. I don't know. Check your bin. Empty? Done. It's not parent versus child anymore. It's child versus supply chain, and the supply chain doesn't negotiate. The no-fly zone. 90 minutes before dinner, the kitchen's closed, even if the bin's full. The clock always overrides the inventory. So stop short order cooking. Load the bins once, flip the kitchen to closed, and let the system gatekeep. You're not the snack lady anymore. You're running material flow control. Now go reclaim your afternoon.